Hello friends. Today we will see how to recover unsaved MS Office files. Suppose you are working in MS Excel and accidentally you closed your file unsaved. Then how will you recover your data? Now no need to worry. There are many methods to recover it. First method, open blank Excel file. Go to File, click on Open, and then at the bottom you can see Recover Unsaved Workbook option. Click on it. Here you will see all your unsaved files. Now you can open your file and use it. Second method, open any blank Excel file. Go to File option, then click on Info. Then here you can see Manage Workbook. Click on it. Here you will see Recover Unsaved Workbook option. Click on it. It will open a dialog box. Choose your file and open it. Third method. Again, you need to open a blank Excel file, then click on File, then go to Options. A dialog box will open. Here you have to click on Save tab. Here Auto Recovery Information option, you have to set it to 1 minute. So MS Excel will automatically save your work every 1 minute and keep the last auto recovered version if I close without saving. Now copy the file location and paste it to File Explorer. It will show you all your unsaved files. Now you can find your file from here and open it. Thank you.